नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन। आज आपण बघणार आहोत डिस्ट्रॅक्शन। डेफिनेशन बघूयात। डिस्ट्रॅक्शन्स मीन्स एनी स्टिम्युलस whose presence interferes with the process of attention or draws away attention from the object which we wish to attain. Next is source of distraction. The source of distractions vary very much. They affect the individual according to his or her mental setup and personality setup. First, external environmental factor. Second, internal factors. First, external factor. Noise, music, improper lighting, uncomfortable seats, unfavorable temperature, inadequate ventilation, defective method of teaching, defective voice of the teacher, etc. Second is internal factors. Emotional disturbance, ill health, boredom, lack of motivation, fatigue, etc. The nurse should take great care to get away all possible cause of distraction in working area so as to sustain attention. Next are types of distraction. First, continuous distraction. The distraction is continuous is nature. For example, the sound of radio played continuously, the noise at the marketplace. Experiments have shown that adjustment to continuous distraction takes place quickly. Second, discontinuous distraction. It is irregular. For example, the hearing of somebody's voice every now and then. Next type, it interferes with work because of the impossibility of adjustment. Some major means of removing distractions are being active in work, disregard for distraction, making the distraction a part of the work. असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।